How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off restricted mode on YouTube. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the YouTube app to the latest version. If you haven't actually already updated, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in YouTube and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated YouTube, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and simply make sure that you are logged into your account. And after you're logged in, you can basically see this is how the interface of the YouTube app is actually going to look like. Now what you can do is, from the top right hand side of the screen, you would basically be able to see your profile icon or your profile picture. Tap on the YouTube profile picture and you're going to be taken to this page. You have multiple options such as your channel, incognito mode, adding accounts, purchases and memberships, and so much more. What you could do is simply tap on the option called settings, and as you tap on settings, again you'd be able to see a list of all of the settings on YouTube. What we want to do is we want to tap on the top, we want to tap on the first option which says general. So go ahead and select general. As we select the general option, you'll be able to see this option, and right here at the bottom of the screen you'd be able to see the button which says restricted mode. And you can see it also says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So you want to make sure that this toggle is currently turned off in order to actually turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And if in case the restricted mode is already turned off and you're trying to view contents but you're not being able to do so, for that you would actually need to simply update your age, because sometimes there are some kind of age restrictions for certain types of videos on YouTube. But the basic way is basically this: you would have to tap on the restricted mode button over here and then turn this toggle off in order to completely turn off restricted mode, and then turn it on if you want to turn it on again. This was the way on how you could very easily turn off restricted mode on YouTube. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.